Hey, man, I'm Jusko from ProudMoney.com. Navy Federal Credit Union has added a new credit card to its credit card lineup. It is the Cash Rewards Plus Visa Signature Card, and on the surface it looks like sort of a Me Too 2% cashback card, and there's plenty of those on the market, but this might just be the best 2% cashback card on the market, and I'll tell you why. The Navy Federal Cash Rewards Plus card is a no annual fee Visa credit card that gives you 2% cash back on all of your purchases across the board. No categories to consider. You get 2% back on everything that you purchase. The card has a new cardholder bonus as I make this video. $200 you can earn if you spend $2,000 with the card in the first 3 months of having it. For a limited time, there's also a Walmart Plus credit up to $98 if you buy a year's subscription to Walmart Plus, which is $98. Now be aware that if you use that offer after the first year, you're automatically going to get billed for another year of Walmart Plus, and that one won't be free. So make sure you understand that if you take advantage of that part of it. But it's really that $200 that I think of as the main bonus that you are getting here. In addition, no foreign transaction fees on the card. So if you use it outside of the United States, you're not going to get charged anything extra. In terms of the rewards you receive, you can redeem them with no minimum. So anytime you want to, you can redeem as little as you want. You can redeem as a statement credit or into a savings or checking account. So you don't have any limitations there. And then the interest rate, 15.9% on the low end, 18% on the high end. One thing people don't know oftentimes about federal credit unions is that the interest rates on their credit cards are capped currently at 18%. So when you compare that 18% on the high end to the big bank credit cards that can go 29% or even over 30% at this point, that is a big difference. Now, of course, I think you should never be carrying a balance from month to month, and then the interest rate would not matter. But if you ever do, you're in a better position with this Navy Federal card than you would be with other 2% cards on the market. So put that all together, no annual fee, 2% cash back, ease of redemption, no minimum on redemption, a nice bonus, that Walmart Plus, maybe an 18% cap on your rates. This is a 2% flat cash back card that pretty much has it all. The only thing it maybe does not have is a 0% introductory interest rate offer. There are some other 2% flat cash back cards on the market that would give you a 0% rate on your new purchases and your balance transfers for a certain period of time. For example, the Wells Fargo Active Cash, as I make this video, would give you a 0% rate on your purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 months that you have the card. You do not have that here, but everything else on the card, pretty great. Now, an important thing to understand is that Navy Federal has this new Cash Rewards Plus card, but they already have a Cash Rewards card that gives 1.5% cash back across the board on all of your purchases. That card is not going anywhere. This is not just an automatic upgrade to this Cash Plus. What they are doing is they're essentially putting both of these cards onto the same card application. So when you go to apply for the Cash Rewards Plus, they are going to look at your credit history, look at your income, all the things that always happen in a credit card application, and they are going to decide what your credit limit would be, and that is going to then determine which of the cards you get. If Navy Federal Credit Union determines that you are eligible for a $5,000 credit limit or higher, you are going to get the Cash Rewards Plus card. If they decide that you are not eligible for at least $5,000 as a credit limit, you would get the Cash Rewards card that already exists with the 1.5% flat cash back rate. And then following on that, if you already have the Navy Federal Cash Rewards card, basically what Navy Federal Credit Union is doing is looking at your current credit limit, and if it's $5,000 or more, they're upgrading you to the Cash Rewards Plus card and that 2% rate. And if it is below $5,000, it looks like you are staying where you are, or it's possible they may reevaluate you to see if they want to increase your credit limit and move you up to the Cash Rewards Plus. That last part is conjecture on my part, but this seems like the perfect time that you would look at your current card holders and see who is maybe eligible for an upgrade on credit limit and an upgrade on that reward. So overall, a nice addition to the Navy Federal credit card lineup. Obviously a 2% cashback card. Not exactly groundbreaking, but at least this one is really, really good when you compare it to the other 2% cards out there on the market. So if you are a current member of Navy Federal, or if you qualify as current or former military, current or former Department of Defense, or their families, to be a Navy Federal Credit Union member, well then this is a nice card that you could also consider with the 2% flat cash back, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, nice bonus, and a cap on that interest rate. All kinds of good stuff happening. Would love to hear your thoughts about it in the comments section below. Otherwise, I thank you for watching. And as always, please go to proudmoney.com where we do credit card reviews. We talk personal finance, we talk deals, and all sorts of other fun stuff too. If you're not going to leave a comment or go to the website, you know what I'm going to say next. Watch this video.